is Sarah, and I'm brushing my teeth. And I have a new room, as you can see. There's a canopy and my bed. And Sophie in the fridge. Hi, Charlotte is in my video today. And hey guys, what's up? Hey guys, it's me Stella, and I'm with Charlotte today. Hi. And I'm gonna be doing the TMI tag. And these
I could have just found it on Tumblr and just used my phone.
So we wasted our time.
Yes!
Wonderful. Okay, should we just start now?
Do you want me to ask you the questions and you answer them?
Go ahead.
Okay.
All
Wait,
right.
is this a question?
Yeah.
Where are you?
My room.
What are you wearing?
I'm wearing black leggings. I think they're Under Armour. Yeah, Under Armour. Nike socks. Monogrammed in my school. And Jerry.
When was the last time you kissed someone?
No one.
Do you have a crush?
Yes.
Last place you were?
My mom's house.
Where is a place you want to visit?
London.
See Dan and Phil there. Hit us up.
And Stampy. Alright.
Favorite food?
Macaroni. That's like homemade that my mom makes. Or like Velveeta. Like that's good to make.
What is the relationship between you and the last person you texted?
I gotta check that. Her name is Piper. We had a big fight last night, so I don't really know what our relationship is right now, but I think we're cool now, so if you're watching this, hey!
Who was the last person you talked to? Last show you watched?
Sophia the First. It's on the TV.
Last song you listened to, you wrote it down.
John Cougar John, Dear John 316. That song.
I don't know that song.
It's a country song.
Yeah, I don't listen to country music. As you can see by my shirt.
Yeah, my shirt.
Last book you read?
Probably. Okay. Somewhere in there, but maybe this book.
Last thing that made you cry?
Well, I've been sick since Saturday. Well, I'm not that sick anymore, but like, you know what I mean. That's why I'm like really pale right now. And it's snowing. Well, not snowing, but there's snow all over the place. So there's about like 15 inches of snow here. And so yeah, the last time I cried was when my stomach was hurting because I was sick and I was throwing up a lot. So, yeah.
What's your natural hair color?
Like your hair, I guess.
She's over there.
This is in like, whatchamacallit, preschool or kindergarten. That's my friend Anna Grace. And I haven't seen her since kindergarten, so. Me eating an apple because I hate the skin, and my dad had to like bite this part off. Look how chubby my hands are. So that's like my natural hair color. It's like dirty blonde.
What's your zodiac sign?
A Libra. Moon I that.
How old are you?
11.
What is your favorite song?
679 by Fetty Wap. He's my baby.
Something you miss?
I don't know. Probably my uncle in Florida because I haven't seen him in a while.
What is the reason that you joined YouTube?
You know that person, RCL Beauty?
Yeah.
Rachel? Yeah. Her pretty much, but I don't really do like beauty videos, but like I can do, but like if y'all want to, leave some comments.
Have you been in a physical fight?
With my siblings.
Logan.
We before and like wrestled like that. And her brother.
Yeah.
We had gymnastics mats and
oh yeah.
long story short, his nose is kind of bleeding a little bit. Like a little bit blood.
Yeah, when Tucker like punched him in the nose.
Okay.
How long does it take you to get ready?
Probably about 30 minutes in the morning. Cause like I get dressed and then I like just like watch YouTube videos. So like it takes me forever. Okay.
Excuse me.
Oh.
How long does it take for you to shower?
Like an hour. Like if I'm like not rushed, it's like 45 minutes to an hour.
Favorite bands / musicians?
I like bands. I like One Direction. And like musician. I don't know.
Meghan Trainor.
Oh yeah, Meghan Trainor.
Freddie Wap. So, favorite TV show?
Sophia the First. I'm kidding. House Hunters, Flip or Flop. What else did I say last night? We were on FaceTime last night, so like. I forgot.
Keeping Up with the Kardashians.
Yeah. I had one more, but I forgot what it was.
Favorite quote? You wrote it on here.
Oh, nobody can drag me down. That was not planned. Okay, go.
Where do you go when you're sad?
A hole. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I
There's
go
a hole
under
in
this.
There's a hole under your bed at your mom's.
Oh yeah. I go in my bed and like take a pillow and like cry.
How tall are you?
Like 4'2". I'm really
4'2".
short. Probably seem tall in my videos, but
She's not.
I'm a short person. Alright. Like there's this Halloween haunt thing and I hate it. Like
I went there.
Yeah, she loves it.
It scared the living crap out of me.
Yeah,
Because
exactly.
they had like this princess thing this year, and then it had
Oh.
like Alice in Wonderland.
I
It was
couldn't go there. I
creepy.
have so many princesses in here. Like right there, right there, right there, right there. Okay.
And then there was Click Click.
Oh,
No, this guy, he came up to me. Okay, story time.
story time.
We're
Going
twins.
back in time.
Woo! Okay,
Okay.
so I went with my friend, and I'm with Cameron, and we were like walking around, and near like the volcano and stuff, like
Oh, I hate
one of the rides.
Hurts my back.
There's this Indian sort of thing, and it was like, and we were like, what you doing? We don't understand you. And it was scary, and I was like,
Okay, moving on. We're done.
yeah.
Thanks for watching. We will probably make another video soon.
On my channel.
So that hurt. Yeah, have a nice day.
Adios.
Bye. Love you. I love you. Bye.